Welcome to Tech World for Kids. Let's create another game. This time, we want to celebrate someone's birthday. Start scratchjr. Tap on Home, plus to create a new game. Now we want to find a place to celebrate the birthday. So let's tap on this picture. Which one is suitable to hold a birthday party? Oh, let's choose this classroom. See, there are decorations here. Seems like some celebration is going on. Let's choose a birthday cake. Is there one here? Yeah, he's here. Tap on, tick. Oh, it's a huge cake. Let's make it smaller. Do you remember how to do it? Tap on the purple button, and this one is to make it smaller. Drag it down, tap on it, tap again. Let's see whether it's okay now. Still very big. Tap again. Okay, looks nice now. Okay, now we have a birthday cake. Let's think about whose birthday is this. Shouldn't be the cat, right? It's in a classroom. So let's remove the cat. Tap on the cat. Oops, let me put it down. Tap on the cat. Remove the cross. Yeah. Let's choose who is having birthday. You can choose anyone here. I'm going to choose this little girl. Tap on tick. It's her birthday. Let's put her in front of the birthday cake. Next, let's invite some of her friends. Again, you can decide who you want to invite. I'm going to invite this girl and invite another one. Maybe, let's see, this boy. Let's invite one more. I'm going to invite this boy. So now all three friends are standing at the same place. Let's spread them out. So these three friends are here to celebrate her birthday. So what shall they do? Okay, let's see. Oh, there's some sun here. Let's check. There is a pop button. Let's drag this down. You hear the sound? Not very interesting for a birthday party, right? Let's remove it. And this microphone, it allows you to record your own voice. So let's tap on this. This is a boy. Right? This is a boy talking. So I'll try to make my voice sounds more like a boy. Happy birthday. Okay, let's play this. Now you have this extra button here. This is your recording. Let's tap on this. Happy birthday. Oh, really sounds like a boy. Okay, so this is this boy. How about the other two children? Let's see this boy. Okay, I'm going to record for him as well. Happy birthday. Okay, so he also has a happy birthday. And we have this girl. I'm going to record for her. Happy birthday. You should also have one. Okay. So remember, we want to have the green flag. Tap on this yellow button. Green flag. Put it in front of this little girl. So when we tap the green flag, she will say happy birthday. Similarly for the other two children, for this boy, we want to add the green flag as well. So when we tap on the green flag, he will say happy birthday as well. And for the other children, of course, you want to do the same. Now, if I tap this green flag, only this boy say something. So, happy birthday. So that you can hear only one boy is talking. But if I tap on this green flag, all three of them will say it together. Happy birthday. Do you hear? three of them are talking at the same time. So if we expand this, and we tap on the green flag. Okay, so we go back, and we want to change the name of this project. Tap on this yellow sign. Tap on the name. And I'm going to change it to Happy Birthday. Okay, tap on the tick. Okay, so we are done with this project. Let's go to home to double check. So we have happy birthday here. See you next time.